One test. For exercises 1 through 3, evaluate each expression below. Number 1, what is the absolute value of -8? Number 2, identify the opposite of -17. Number 3, order -5, -7, 0, and 4 from least to greatest. 4, Kira had $40 to spend and used $20 to buy a new pair of jeans. Which integer best represents the situation of spending $20? 5, identify the opposite of -9. Number 6, the temperature outside decreased from 90 degrees to 85 degrees. Which integer represents a decrease of 5 degrees? Number 7, which set of numbers represents the points graphed on the number line? This number line right here, you've got 4 dots. What are those 4 points? For exercises 8 through 10, use the coordinate plane at the right. Number 8, what ordered pair corresponds to point E? Number 9, which point represents the ordered pair 2, 3? Number 10, which point is 3 units left of the y-axis and 2 units above the x-axis? After you answer these, please make sure you fill out your Scantron and then give it to your teacher, and they will hand you the remaining portion of the test. Okay, here's the remaining portion. This is short answer, no Scantron. Number 11, the absolute value of -14 plus the absolute value of 5 equals what? For exercises 12 through 13, replace each circle with less than, greater than, or equal to make a statement, to make a true sentence. Number 12, 9 and then -8. Fill in your circle with one of those symbols. Number 13, -4 and -3. Fill in your circle with one of those symbols. Number 14, Jeffrey used 7 out of his 20 tokens on one game at the arcade. What is this fraction written as a decimal? Number 15, express 0.17 as a simplified fraction. Number 16, express 0.4 as a simplified fraction. Number 17, express -12/25 as a decimal. Number 18, express 13 5/8 in decimal form. Number 19, order -6.3 repeating, -6 1/4, -6.34, and -6 5/8 from least to greatest. Number 20, Jason is a repairman for an appliance company. On Monday, he drove 63.7 miles for his repair jobs. On Tuesday, he drove 63 2/3 miles. On Wednesday, he drove 63 8/10 miles, and on Thursday, he drove 63.095 miles. On which day did Jason drive the greatest distance for his repair jobs? Use a problem-solving model to solve. Here are your bonus questions. 2 sets of numbers are shown below, set J and set K. Which statement is true? A, the number 8.7 is equivalent to each number in set J, but not each number in set K. B, the number 8.7 is equivalent to each number in set J and set K. C, the number 8.070 is equivalent to each number in set K, but not each number in set J. Or D, the number 8.07 is equivalent to each number in set J and set K. Number 2, the locations of 3 fish relative to the water surface are -18 feet, -31 feet, and -26 feet. Which distance has the least absolute value? And number 3, the table shows the dimensions in inches of 4 rectangular felt shapes. What is the difference between the greatest perimeter and the least perimeter? You're going to use these right here. Felt shape 1, the length 7.25, the width 9.9. Felt shape 2, the length is 7.3 and the width is 9.73. Felt shape 3, the length is 7.5, the width is 9.7. And felt shape 4, the length is 7.6 and the width is 9.5.